y2Buy, connecting features to benefits for the new TruVu multi-purpose backnet building controller. Installation has never been easier, faster, or more efficient than with the new TruVu integrated controller. Color-coded I/Os positioned on opposite sides of the controller help installers keep inputs and outputs straight. Not to mention, the new I/O terminal blocks are now Molex-compatible connectors, allowing for the effective use of wire harnesses. Network terminators are now built in, reducing the number of parts you need to carry around with you. And the new software configuration feature makes misconfigured or lost jumpers a thing of the past. Need a little help? The new QR code on every controller lets you use the QR scanner of your choice on any smartphone or tablet to put cut sheets, technical documentation, and other important data at your fingertips. Let's not forget the DIN rail mounts and easy snap-together controllers combined with new I/O features all minimize wiring errors and save precious installation time. Available in 2 models, the new TV MPCs provide maximum capacity using a minimal footprint, completing the highest tier IP-enabled family of products Carrier has to offer. TruVu, brought to you by Carrier.